Matthumanpizza video. If you're wondering where your fuel pump cutoff switch is on your Ford Aspire, well, look no further. It is in your trunk. It is right on the passenger rear left side, right here, inside this little cubby hole. There it is, the button, right there, the little red button. Push that down and you'll activate the fuel pump cutoff switch, cutting off your fuel supply. For fun, I'm going to use it. Turn the car on. Now we're going to push that fuel pump cutoff switch. See if it actually works. And it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I'm pushing it. I gotta hold it in. It doesn't work. What a pile of crap. Really? Well, that's nice of them. Alright. And it is hidden behind this big old panel here. So there's a couple of these little pop outs where you can easily pop them out with a flathead screwdriver, or like that. And I'm going to venture my way in there. Okay, I removed the bottom panel and I pushed the seat down. Anyway, took some fasteners off, and this is where the speaker is, and it's plugged in, of course. But what we want to get to is the fuel cutoff. So it's all a matter of getting this whole panel removed. I'm going to do some pulling. There we go. So we took that off, and as you can see, there is the fuel pump shut-off switch, and there it is. And the button, there's a button right here, and it seems to be it's pressed in already. Not wanting to work. I got the engine off right now, but when I kept pressing it, it wasn't working, and it doesn't seem like it's going to work. But I think, pretty sure it's getting electric. I mean, it has the wire going to it, and I follow the wire, so it's probably not shorted out. But well, this is interesting. Inside of this, cool. Inside of that seatbelt. I couldn't think of the name. But that's how you access it. And what you want to do now is, oh, my finger's in the way. Take these bolts off. Now we have access to the device itself. And look, you can disconnect the electrical to it right here. Just pop that out. I got a spider on my foot. Stupid spider, or whatever. Alright, anyway. So, just flip that off. And I don't think it matters right now to have the the battery connected or not. But, just going to pop this off here. There we go. Oop. There we go. Alright, pull that off. And there is your fuel cutoff. First inertia switch, made in the USA, 9600402A. And this should be a button, but it's not. Ford PBT F2AB-9341-AA. And there's the electrical connection, and that's how you remove it. Installation is for reversal removal. You put it on there, put the bolts on, and button it back up. But this one seems to be defective, to say the least, or it's not getting electric to it. But I'm not going to try to trace to see if it is or not, because it doesn't matter. Alright, this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Aspire for greatness. Aspire for greatness. Aspire to be better than yourself. Okay, disconnecting this. Now the car won't turn on, so that's a good way to get this switch to actually work. So I'm going to put it back on so I can start the car. Alright, it is reconnected. And it's time to start this. Alright, hooking that back up. Okay, anyway, look. So I stuck in the screwdriver in there and popped that button up. So now you can push it down and it stays down. Isn't that cool?